Hi, welcome back. All you need to know about Apple iPhone. Apple iPhone, new, set will go on sale in India starting September 2018. After months of powerful assumption and rumors, Apple has finally launched 3 new smartphones: iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR. Apple Mobile iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max available in 3 storage alternatives: 64 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB. And with 3 attractive and beautiful colors, you can choose your color. An Apple iPhone XR comes with storage: 64 GB, 128 GB, 256 GB, and 6 colors. Let's talk about front look. On the optics front, iPhone XS front dual rear camera setup with a 12-megapixel wide angle and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with an aperture rate of f1.8 and f2.4, respectively. In the front, there is a 7-megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. iPhone XS is the replacement of the much acclaimed iPhone X launched last year. The dual SIM device and a 5.8-inch OLED Super Retina HD display, with a screen resolution of 2436 and 1125 pixel density of 458 ppi. The smartphone is powered by 6-core A12 Bionic chip. The best and biggest iPhone ever from Apple, iPhone XS Max shares the same specs as iPhone XS apart from a larger 6.5-inch display, with a high screen resolution of 2688 and 1242 p with a weight of 208 grams. And the best part is cheapest among the 3. iPhone XR comes with a 6.1-inch liquid retina high-definition LCD display, with a screen resolution of 1792 and 828 and pixel density of 326 ppi. The device comes with a notched True Tone display with multi-touch feature. The smartphone is powered by A12 Bionic chip. On the front, iPhone XR comes with a 12-megapixel rear camera with an aperture rate of f1.8 in the front. There is a 7-megapixel camera with an aperture rate of f2.2. iPhone XR is available in 6 beautiful colors: white, black, yellow, red, coral, and blue. It's all about new launched of iPhone. Give a thumbs up and share among all iPhone lovers and get your phone soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.